which has discussed when you want to prove the angle bisectors. In place AM and PN are medians, we will write AM and PN are the angle bisectors. And we will again prove triangle ABM and PQN are similar by taking these angles equal and these angles given equal. And if altitudes, then we will take B and Q are equal and altitudes make the 90-degree angle. And similarly, we know that by using the ratio proportion that each ratio is same. How we find each ratio? For perimeter, if I want to explain you, you know that AB divided by PQ, that is ratio of AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. If two triangles are similar, then there is no harm in saying that the ratio of corresponding sides is same. But if I want to relate it with perimeter, we know that there is a formula of finding each ratio. What is each ratio? As many ratios are given, we will add their numerators and denominators. So each ratio will be what? AB plus BC plus AC upon PQ plus QR plus PR. Sum of all three sides is this what? Perimeter of triangle ABC upon this is perimeter of triangle PQR. So ratios are also same as the perimeters ratio. So we can say all four parts can be made proved that ratio of same sides, corresponding sides is equal to medians as shown. Similarly, you can go for angle bisectors by changing a little bit. Similarly for altitudes, and in case of perimeter, sum of antecedents upon consequents, that is using the concept of ratio proportion, we can say AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR is equal to sum of all numerators consequents upon antecedents upon consequents, that is AB plus BC plus AC upon PQ plus QR plus PR, which gives us ratio of perimeters. So you have to remember to apply it many places that the ratio of sides is same as the ratio of corresponding medians, angle bisectors, altitudes and perimeters. And in area similarity theorem, we can apply it. We can say ratio of areas of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of squares of sides, medians, altitudes, angle bisectors and even perimeters square. Now again question where we will prove very important result which can be applied in solving the various questions, like prove that in a right angled triangle. So first of all, I have to plot one right angled triangle. I can name it ABC, right angled at B. Prove that in a right angled triangle, the square of the length of perpendicular drawn from the right vertex. Right vertex is the vertex where right angle is formed. I am drawing one perpendicular from this point B to the hypotenuse, that is BD. So prove that in a right angled triangle, the square of the length of the perpendicular drawn from the right vertex, that is I want to prove BD square, is equal to product of the two parts in which this perpendicular divides or separates the hypotenuse. The perpendicular is BD, hypotenuse is AC. This is separated in two parts, AD and DC. So what we need to prove that BD square is equals to AD into CD. I will write here in the given that in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and BD is also given perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. What we want to prove that the square of the length of this perpendicular BD is equals to product of the two parts, that is AD into DC, in which this perpendicular is separating the length of hypotenuse. Now there is no required to give any construction. For a proof, as I explained you in the Pythagoras theorem, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. This I have explained you by the double A condition. Or I can tell you here also angle A is common and angle B is equals to angle D. This is sufficient. Similarly, one more part was explained to you there, that is triangle ABC is also similar to triangle BDC, because again by the double A condition, angle C is the common, angle B is equals to this side angle BDC. So I can notice from here that ABC is similar to ADB, ABC is similar to BDC, same triangle is similar to two different triangles. So what implies this? That triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. ADB is similar to BDC. ADB is similar to BDC. So what we can conclude, that AD ratio of sides upon BD is equals to BD upon DC is equals to first and third AB, first and third BC. So if I take first and second relation, I can notice BD into BD by cross multiplication, BD square is equals to AD into DC. So what I have obtained, in a right angle triangle, the length of square of the perpendicular drawn from the right vertex to the hypotenuse, that is BD square, is equal to product of the two parts AD and DC. Now how I can apply in doing the problem shortcut? Suppose I write here that there is a triangle PQR.